everyone. So we are going to start our first chapter today, that is computer, a storage and memory device. So children, what is computer? Yes, computer is an electronic device that takes some data as input, process it according to the given instructions and gives information as output, which can be stored temporarily or permanently for future use. This is a very simple example where we take a picture from a digital camera. Now suppose we want to take out the printout of that picture. So we get that picture processed in the computer and we get the output from the printer. So your picture becomes the output. In the same way, when we enter the data into the computer, suppose we are typing A to Z, then we have the input device as keyboard from where we are entering the data. Then we have to process it into the CPU and then we get the text as on the output device. In this slide we can see how the data that we are typing from the keyboard, it comes on the file. It gets processed in the CPU and then it comes in the file. So I believe you can understand now what is data. Data is a collection of raw facts and figures. Data just works as input for any system. Well, data can be in the following forms. It can be text, it can be image, it can be audio, it can be number. Various input devices are used to enter data in computer. Like for entering text, we use the input device as keyboard. For entering the picture, we will be using the input device as a scanner, then microphone, then the keyboard. I hope you remember all these things that we have done before. Information. Now what is information? Information. The processed data is called information. It is meaningful and it depends upon the data. Information can be in the following forms. It can be text, it can be image, it can be audio, or it can be number. So the text, we have to see the text in the output device like monitor. If we want to see the images, we can see it in the monitor or in the printer also. If we want to hear the audio, we have to have the speaker. So these are all the output devices. So children, now it is clear that what is data. The name of our chapter is Computer, Memory and Storage Devices. Now when we feed the data into the computer, it gets converted into a machine understandable code. It's called machine code. A computer can only understand the language of ones and zeros. So it gets changed. That means the data gets changed into ones and zeros, and these ones and zeros are the machine code. A computer can understand only two states, on or off. On means 1 and off means 0. These two digits, 0 and 1, are called binary digits. Well, we say that computer is an electronic device. Reason why it has only two states, that is on and off. The data is stored in the computer in the memory in the form of bits and is measured in bytes. Okay, so ones and zeros are bits and 8 bits are together. If we take them together, it makes 1 byte. This is how we start measuring the computer memory. And this is how the data gets stored. Our assignment for today is you have to answer these simple questions, mostly very simple. It is given in the slide only. What is a computer? What is data? What is information? What is a machine code? And what are binary digits? So children, you have to write your assignment in this form only. You have to give the heading, you have to give the date, and after each and every answer, you have to leave one line. So we are going to end our session for today here only. We will meet in the next video where we will be discussing about how and where we store data. Till then, stay safe, take care, bye.